Hi everyone, today I'm back with a new French lesson. So just like every month, I will teach you today some French expression, pronunciation, grammar and vocabulary. So let's start with pronunciation. So today we're going to learn how to pronounce this spelling. So when those two letters are together, O and U, you will have the sound OU. Let's see a few words with those two letters together. Joue, chou, bijou, trou. Now let's learn some French grammar. So today we're going to learn possessive adjectives. For the first person singular, like I, you will have mon, ma, mes. For the second person singular, you will have ton, ta, tes. For the third person singular, you will have son, sa, ses. For the first person plural, you will have notre, nos. For the second person plural, you will have votre, vos. And for the third person plural, you will have leur, leur. But be careful in front of a feminine noun starting with a vowel and H, which is silent in French. You will have to use masculine possessive adjectives instead of a feminine one. Just like in this example. Mon écharpe, ton école, mon huile. So that's all for the grammar part today. Let's just look over all the vocabularies we saw in these videos. Joue, chou, bijou, trou, écharpe, école, huile. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next month with a new lesson. Bye!